Make a great choice today with 2012 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light, trip odometer. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. Your new ride is just a phone call away.